Hello, my name is Numan Jangir and I am an advocate of High Court and I practice in Lahore. Today I am the topic about which I am gonna talk about is the strike, prevailing strike in especially in Lahore and conducted by the Lahore Bar Association. There is a strike, as you people know, and if you don't know, then I would like to tell you that there is a strike in Lahore Bar, and the strike, the basic reason, main reason of the strike is that uh, as the Chief Justice of Lahore High Court has, by his one of his notification, has announced that the courts are gonna shift to Model Town and other areas of Lahore like Raymond and etc. And judges and of the Superior Court, High Court wants to move the courts from to their specific territories. So most of the lawyers which are the influential and powerful lawyers and wealthy lawyers, they wants to stop it, and in order to stop it, they have adopted a method of strike. In the past, there used to happen so many strikes, but the method of conducting that and managing that strikes were totally different from today's matter. And in the past, the people used to, and the cabinet used to, and the lawyers used to observe the strikes by not appearing in the courts, and it was in the upon the will of the lawyers that whether someone wants to go to court or wants to uh, uh, observe the strike and be a part of the LPA. But now, as there was the 50-50 chances, then in order, that's why this time the LBA and the previous Lahore Bar Association cabinet has adopted a new specific way of conducting this strike, and that is closing the diary branch and marking branch. The people who don't know about the diary and marking branch, I would like to tell those people that diary branch or marking branch is a branch which is related to accepting the new files. In order to start a case, first of all, we have to draft it and then we have to submit in our diary branch. Without the diary branch and acceptance of the file in the diary branch, and the first marking in the diary branch, the case cannot be started and initiated. And diary and marking is the first stage in any case. So when diary branch or marking branch is closed, the main harm of this is that most of the people who often feels the need to, or needs to go to court, and they have to get the they feel the need of getting the legal services. They wouldn't they are not able to get their cases filed. In all those cases, there are so many cases like criminal cases. In criminal cases, there are like bails, and in civil side there are so many cases like stay matters and injunctions and partition matters and so many others, and same is the case of family matters like divorce matters, guardianship matters, and etc and the consumer court. Now the diary branch or marking branch of a civil court, a session court, and the district court of Lahore, all of them are clause due to the observance and newly adopted method of the courts. And now lawyers, influential and powerful lawyers, are saying that if the courts would be shifted to model town or other areas of the Lahore, then it would then the hub which they have created and the main place which they have created in session court and in this only area of Lahore, it would be broken, and lawyers will be scattered, and all the clients which comes from the Johor Town, Model Town, DHA, and other wealthy areas of Lahore will not come here. And these are those clients which don't fight and who take the help of legal services. Without them, the powerful and wealthy lawyers think that they will die from hunger. So basically, they are thinking from this perspective. And if we think about this way, then the protest and strike and the initiative taken by the judges of the superior court is a good step. In my view, if a station house officer of police can sit in a specific locality, then why can't a judge uh, sit there, and why shouldn't a judge sit in that locality? In my view, it is a good step by some, but some influential and powerful lawyers think that it is a initiative against the lawyers, and it is an initiative to divide the lawyers. But these are just the talks, and they are saying that our army has an anger against the lawyers. That's why they are trying to divide lawyers by this way, and the lawyers and it is also being said that it is a step taken by the previous president, Rana Intezar, who due to his own ulterior motives, like bringing his deputy commissioner wife from Gujranwala to Lahore, and due to his links with the justices, have had done that. But my concern is not that thing. My concern is that why what is the crime of the middle class lawyer? Why they are being pushed uh, against the wall, why they are unable to earn, and why what they should do when the dairy branch is closed. It has two harms. One harm is that it is stopping the public and clients to and the factories to take the services of the law. And on the other side, it is destroying the financial conditions of the lawyers. They have been forced to sell their homes and other household items um, in order to live their livelihood. And those who are raising their voices, they are being beaten, like in the case of Bilal Asif, which happened yesterday in the model town, and all those and like mine case, as I have been beaten in the session court for raising the same voice. But lawyers, whatever do the hooliganism which the lawyers adopt with the police and other departments like judges and army and other departments of this country, they are doing the same with us, and